Yebo sanibonani Soccer Beat yethu ngiphethe uIno futhi once again and today I just want to talk about the new arrivals at Orlando Pirates. Obviously Orlando Pirates team enkulu yabo, and for Intwana it can't be easy coming in a big team that is achieving so much as a winning a league this season. What is the player to expect makajoyina i-big team efana ne-Orlando Pirates?
Angazi maybe ngenze example ngelona nge-experience yami mina mengifika lona Pirates. Because I remember njengoba ngisho na before, like I was coming from a Vodacom team, like in third division, bizwa nge-third division that time. Because mina, my first day, because maybe izinto zenzakala quick ngale ndlela ebengacabanga ngayo, because it took me, like I remember, like in a week I remember playing ama-playoffs we-Vodacom. The next 3 weeks I remember sengingene ku-change room ye-Pirates with the very same people bengibabukela e-TV. And you remember that time i-Pirates, like they had lot of players, bebabuya ku-development, and they had a lot of like senior players, ama-player bebeselapha. I remember mengingena first day change room, hey, bengicabanga ukuthi angazi kwenzakalani, ngingene endaweni e-wrong, kwenzakalani, like it's unbelievable, like i-atmosphere yakhona. Because the next thing bobona umuntu e-TV in 3 weeks time, manje lo muntu usohleli naye e-change room, uyodlala naye like to a very same team, ushera lo i-change room naye. It's angazi ukuthi i-feeling engayichaza kanjani. It's beautiful, it's confusing, like kuyahlangahlangana ekhanda as a young boy. But into engayisho ngolabafana ukuthi as long as ikusayinile i-Pirates ikhonile ukukubona, which means kunento awayibonile kuwe, which means ukuthi uyadeserve ukuba la ukhona manje. Just you need to believe in yourself. Just be yourself nje, udlala ibhola lakho lela abakuchuzele yona, because angeke ube lapha kuleya change room ye-Pirates ungadeserve. Because one thing for sure ngiyazi nge-Pirates, ayimani isani nje iplay engadeserve ukudlala Pirates. Ulapha because uyadeserve. Just wena nje kumele wenze into abakusayinele yona kuphela nje.
Ngiyakuthola Mdledle. So as uyayibeka, obvious angeke ubizwe ku-Pirates ungekho mnandi nje yabo. Obviously suke sekubonakale ukuthi una something oyiphethe, but ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi kuya frustrate man. If you look at the present situation manje e-Pirates ku-left back position khona uDion Hoto, khona uNkosi, khona Ndaba, khona uNeo Rapua, and they're all fighting for that same left back position. I'm just thinking it must be difficult for other players ngoba Dion Hoto ngathi ngempela uyibambile leya position in the past seasons, and he is like the more experienced player. How would you advise those other players that are playing in that same position in terms of Woodman now uzoyithola i-chance yakho yabo? You must always be ready, competition when it comes to big team, you must always be ready. So how would you advise those two other youngsters who are waiting in the line to play in that position?
Into engingayisho okwamanje ukuthi they are lucky ukuthi bakhompyutha noHoto as a senior player, dala kule game, dala dlala, and he's been doing well so far. uHoto even last season, like I think i-performance yakhe, like it was great. But at the end of the day ebholeni kunento eyi-one kumele bayi-understande labafana ukuthi it's all about performance. Mo-perform uzodlala. It doesn't matter how old uHoto ungakanani. You understand? If bayimisela baperform bazodlala. It doesn't matter ukuthi babuya ku-development bancane, how old they are. Yabona, it's all about the performance. Maybe perform abazodlala, maybe perform more than, because obvious bazoba compare noHoto ngithi. So if uOtto uyaperforma uzodlala, if bayaperforma bazodlala. You understand? Because enye into ebholeni ekumele sicabange singabantu or into engiyaziyo, it's all about ukwajusta. Sometimes the player uyalithatha ku-development ulifake ku-first team lifike nje quick li-adjust lingene line-up yabona lidlala libuye lingene naku-national team. It's all about ukwajusta. Understand? Just nento engishoyo ukuthi bona nje kumele bafike laphana bangafuni ukutshintsha lutho benze lento ababasanele yona kuphela. They are there because they are good players. But the most important thing or kuyinhlanhla ngazi ngakubiza ngenhlanhla or yini because I remember nami ngadlala 2 games we-Vodacom Challenge. The next thing ngazibona sengikulo first lineup of which is something leyo bengingayicabanga ukuthi ingenzeka. So nake bengenzeka. Yabona? But it's all about luck or yini but maybe ngi-adjusta nje bona awuhambini. It's all about ukwajusta kuphela nje. Ikuvume isystem, ikuvume necoach. Yabona? Because kunezinye izinto engeke uzicontrol. Yabona? Ungaperforma uDoni phethe khona but if icoach iprefer uHoto kunabo, that's it. But bebengafika bona njengoba mama ngistaba banje ba-adjust ba-perform. Obvious.
Yeah, no, ngiyakuzwa Mdledle man. Hey, yeah, no, it was difficult in football, especially when you're playing for a team enkulu. You know, I remember also ngibuya ku Wits University ngiya ku Sundowns, which is a big team, ambitious, wanting to win everything, you know. So beyisayina wonke ama-player nje the time kufika upresident uPatrice Motsepe. So competition yayiningi lapha ngempela. Bekusayinwa wonke umuntu, abotso bafika laphayana, abothanda umngomeni, aboget lenkisi ngisho ngithi inkosi yami nayo imihlola umuntu uzodlala nini regular. So yeah, but anyway, competition yakhona was able to elevate me nami ngenze ukuthi ngiperforme, ngiwork hard. You know, if you want to play you have to work hard. So it was a healthy competition, like you say now, ukuthi i-competition be healthy between wena no Lucas Twala no Tshepo Masilela. So nami ngiyakhumbula ukuthi competition be healthy kakhulu, you know, and I was lucky ukuthi I was competing with somebody naye bengidlala naye ku-national team uThando Mngomeni yabo, and a lot of people bebathanda ukusicompare because ama-left foot and we play similar, we are both sibade. But I remember ukuthi nje it was competition that allowed me also ukuthi ngiwork hard for i-position yami ethimini yabona. So yeah, sibonile iPirates iyenze imanga last season ngempela, because mina bengingabelieve ukuthi khona i-team ezawusaphasa i-Sundowns at this present moment yabo. Bengisitshela ukuthi nje hayi sizothatha 10 league titles in a row. Kodwa iPirates itshengisile ngempela i-mental strength. Last season I was really impressed nge-Pirates yabo. But how do you see this season now? What's your prediction? Kuzoyenzakalani this season in terms of i-Betway Premiership? Liphakaniya ulibona li-compete lapha ku-CAF Champions League. Ubona kanjani le season izohamba kanjani in terms of iBhakaniya performing and collecting trophies?
I think even manje njengoba sikhuluma nalama signing abawenzayo, I think already sebapreparela yona ilona i-CAF. You understand? Ngalama signing mani okhala ngawo ukuthi maningi. So baprepare lokho. And I think they are doing that based on experience abebenayo ku-CAF last season, because you remember bekuba khona isikhathi lana ubona khona ukuthi ama-players ayakhathala and ucoach lokho repeater the same lineup, like akanawo amanye ama-replacement or akanawo abanye abantu abangakhona ukuthi ba-replace laba abadlalayo. But bekalule yabona, not last season, in fact the time when you lost it on the semi-final, you remember? Semi-final, ne? Yeah, you Ribeiro. Yeah, Ribeiro. You remember bekaphinda lona. Line-up eyodwa and bosobona namajiti ukuthi sewakhathela amanye, you understand? So unfortunately last season azange siphelele ndawo, but ngiyacabanga iPirates manje isebenzela towards leya phutha elenziwa uRibeiro. Understand ukuthi bathole more players, not just more players abazofila kuphela inamba kuphela, but ama-players azofika compete. Understand, because I'm 100% sure this season I think bafuna ukuthatha konke, especially when it comes to iCAF, because already for the fact ukuthi iSundowns ene-stars esi-2 into ehlala ikhulunywa maybe manje ofisini leya. For the fact ukuthi babona le-tshitshe ze-Sundowns ne-stars ezi-2 and still 1-1 since from 1995.
Awungathi sisanishaya etafuleni, sisanishaya boNdlovu etafuleni uthi nizokwazi ukukhompitha nje ne-Sundowns ngoba sisanishaya oNdlovu etafuleni.
Hayi ibhola lidlala etafuleni, lidlala egroundini phela.
Yeah, kodwa wena into yazini uyayibeka vele, and I'm sure manje nayo iPirates seyibonile ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi ube ne-depth in your team, especially uma uzodlala lama-competition adlalwa ne-Sundowns, ngoba i-Sundowns phela igxekwa njalo kuthiwe he ibulala i-competition in South African football. Abantu babuye banga-understand ukuthi i-Sundowns is competing with Al Ahly, who have won this Champions League, I don't know, so many times, yabo. So na iPirates kumele ijoyine in this race, itshengisa ukuthi i-big team ku-continent, i-team ene-star, i-challenge nayo for i-Champions League. And in order for ukuthi kwenzeke lokho, ayikho enye indawo, kumele kube nama-signings, isquad kumele sibe refreshed, maningi ama-game adlalwayo.
No, but kuningi into kumele uyikhumbule nge-Pirates. Pirates, it's all about development. It's all about develop ama-player la eSouth Africa. And njengoba ngiwenzela example ngami, iPirates ngalanda even in Castle or whatever lama league lawa lower, iPirates ngakhona ukulanda i-player from that division ifake kulona ku-first line up, ingene isehlile idlale. Understand, njengoba ngiwenzela example nje ngami, bengibuya from Vodacom League ngafika ngadlala. So izicounters ze-Pirates nezicounters ze-Sundowns kuhlukile. Njengoba ukhuluma wena ukuthi lo mfana lona uhambile laphana ku-Sundowns, are you sure ukuthi that boy is going to play? Because ukhumbule enye into ne, maybe iPirates antsho uhambile umfukeni kunento angayibuki and bafuna ukusayina lo mfana lo. Akacabanga lo mfana ukuthi maybe bebefuna ukumenza replacement akamfukeni. Understand? But njengoba usho wena ukuthi iSundowns iphethe izambane lakapona ngisho yabeka etafuleni, then iPirates yalona yadevelopa yona. But is this boy going to play ku-Sundowns?
Yeah, no, leyo question ngempela it remains to be answered. Mara uyi-football player phela uthatha i-chance, angeke wazi ukuthi uzodlala, ngeke wazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani phambili. Uthatha i-chance and umfana ngeke umblame. Nawe wasuka nawe weza ku-Sundowns nje. Kodwa wadlala-ke wena, wakwazi ukuthi udlale ubambe a place in your team. Nakhona kwakune-competition, just like kune-competition njengamanje, yabona. So asingamgxeki kakhulu umfana, uzayithola i-chance yakhe futhi udla wona uzambane kaBhondo nje ubusho nje nawe mfowethu.
Hayi, no ngiyakuzwa, bakhona abanye obalandile. Hey, naku-Stellenbosch khona omunye wamlanda, bekamnandi umfana abantu, azidlalela kahle, ayi-regular ku-Stellenbosch, azidlalela kahle ku-national team bambiza, and bamreplaceile, imagine, because bayacompete no-Oprah ngithi bamreplaceile, and Westberg bamreplace ngeplayer le-Chiefs. Only player ku-Chiefs ayimbiza ku-national team kuleya position yakhe.
No, ngiyakuzwa Mdlete, but football i-football mngani wami, angeke wazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ebholweni. Nangu uRonwen Williams wasuka ku-SuperSport wafika ku-Sundowns, nangu i-captain yeBafana Bafana, nangu is the best recognized goalkeeper in Africa. So i-football you can never predict ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. Bengathi afika naku-Pirates umfana athola ukuthi if akaphakamisanga kahle amasokisi abanye bazomsitha abafana. So ibhola you can never predict mina ngisho kanjalo. Nakho kwakusebenzela wena ukuya ku-Sundowns, you still were able to maintain a regular position. So I would say ukuthi i-mental strength yomuntu ngempela ukudlala kulama team amakhulu, nokuthi wazi ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi noma ungadlali you keep a mental strength and you carry on working hard, because bakalimala loyo munye umuntu kumele ube ready njalo ukuthi uzongena umreplace. Otherwise mawungekho mentally ready, noma limala lo munye sokumele uthole i-chance, hayi uyisimenti i-chance yakho sekuyaziwa ukuthi lo munye hayi usekuthathele.
Mara manqoba asibheke lento yalo mfana engikhuluma ngayo, left back le lona. Ngubani unodino, ubani beyabuya ku-Stellenbosch. Beka number 2 ku-Aubrey ne. Then uzo ku-Stellenbosch, u-Aubrey ku-Sundowns. Uyahamba uyojoina i-Sundowns uku-national team. Uexpect ukuthi kuzowenzakalani? Already lo muntu uyi-number 1 kuwe ku-national team. Already umlandela ku-Sundowns. Uyangastand ezinye izinto mara. Ngiyayiva lento ekhulumayo but ibheke into yalo mfana, and since i-left back bebengayitholi ku-national team bekumloku umdiba ngithi. Bebengayitholi bathola yena. Then masakade ku-Sundowns angadlali, sekumele benzeni? Bamyeke bahambe futhi bofuna enye i-left back. Until today abakayitholi still. Bese bafake i-left back phela. Kaizer Chiefs is a big team, at least kumele kube ne-player World Cup, you understand?
Yeah.
So or bobone ma i-chance ukuthi uAubrey bengatholi injalo, lo mfana bebengamfaka lo we-Kaizer Chiefs.
Hey, I know kuba honest angazi man, bengambona athola i-chance umfana.
No, bengeke kwenzeke because akaze adlale angibangwabala ama-friendly, akaze adlale ku-national team.
Yeah.
Ufuna zisuka wena ustate lo mfana umfake ku-World Cup.
Yeah, no, inkinga i-position ye-left back man, for the national team, and I'm not sure whether futhi uModiba i-position yakhe leyo yabo. But at this present moment uye umuntu ngempela esimthembile. Pasadini, yes, akulunganga laphayana ku-coach omusha no Pasadini kuleya position, but mina ngisabelieve ukuthi uPasadini unayo something laphayana, yabona nje makangabamba iform yakhe.
Into bengikhuluma ngayo before ukuthi i-scout ze-Pirates every time they are always spot on. They see ilona, bakhona ukulibona ilona i-talent when they see one. Bheka bolona uMbokazi, they came from a development. Surprise abantu abaningi, Mfukeng came from a development. Surprise abantu abaningi. So every time i-Pirates may sign a play, they know what they are doing. You understand? Because obvious Hoto, I don't think ukuthi lona i-fatigue izoshesha imbambi. I don't think ukuthi uzoyiqeda lona ilo i-season. In between khona uzongena kulabafana la. Njengoba utsho i-future left back yabafana lapha Pirates.
Ngiyakuzwa unentwana laphayana bathi uRapo, usho ukuthi izolithatha le left back position kuBafana Bafana, ngoba phela ngeke sidepende ngoModiwa forever. Usho ukuthi le ntwana ingayibamba le left back position.
No. Obvious uzoyibamba. That's why ngisanele Pirates, ngisanele leya position.
Hayi. No, ngiyakuzwa.